so this is what I needed from Home Depot. It is a rivet tool and a 25/64 drill bit. This is basically so I can install the mod. So I'm at Home Depot right now. It's actually kind of expensive. I'm surprised. It's gonna be like 30 bucks just for this, and I'll probably never use it again, but whatever, it's worth it. It's gonna totally change the look of the car. So the next clip you're gonna see is pretty much my girlfriend waking me up with the modification that I thought was pretty funny. She thought was pretty funny. So hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy the clips. Have a good one.
Hi everybody. So Anthony just got a package in the mail. I'm not sure what it is, but I know it's for his car. So I'm going to show you real quick. It's big, massive. It's right here. He doesn't know. Oh, we're gonna go wake him up and show him. Honey, I got this for you.
Oh, cool.
You excited?
Yes.
Here you go.
Alright, not right here.
What is it?
Oh. Oh, you're recording?
What is this?
Wicker bill? Right? What did I order?
Okay, we're gonna open up this thing and we're gonna see what's in here.
Can you guess what it is?
I don't know what it is.
But what's it for?
It's for Anthony's car, and we're gonna make a video about a car.
But it's gonna make the car look much cooler.
Yeah.
Much cooler, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We're gonna open this and let's see what we get. We don't know what it is. Open the side.
Watch out, lady. Watch out. It's a knife.
And see what this is. Oh, so cool.
So do you know what this is?
No.
This is a wicker bill. All right, we got a wicker bill here, and we got the glass right here.
Glass.
And this will be installed real soon. So this is gonna be cool. I like this. I think it comes with rib nuts too.
Yeah.
Got some nuts too. And that is it. All right. All right, so this will be going on the car real soon, and I will probably just include this in the whole video. So the next clip you're gonna see is us installing it, right? We're gonna install it on the car together. Are we gonna install it on the car together?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, cool.
What is this?
Yeah, you'll take this off probably.
We take this off
Can
and
I
then
take off?
No.
No.
Not until we install it.
All right.
All right.
And then
Say
there's
thanks
gonna be
everyone for watching.
And then there's gonna be a video about me coloring.
Say thanks everyone for watching.
Thank you.
All right, so we are installing a wicker bill, if you could have guessed, with the help of my beautiful girlfriend. So what I did is these holes right here, from here to here, is 10 inches apart from one edge to the other. So I just in the middle put 5 inches, and all you got to do here, come back here, and all you got to do pretty much is you want to line it up with the center of the camera, because the camera is in the middle, exactly in the middle of the trunk. So you pretty much want that line to be in the middle of that. All right, so a little update. So what we did is we drilled little holes just so we know where each one is at. That one, this one we did mess up, so ignore that. Yep, so that looks good. And now what you want to do is you want to drill these out. So we're going to do that right now.
So lesson learned.
Let me sit there just so I can
You're going to want to check this 100 times.
Yeah. And it's funny because my buddy actually, the one thing my buddy said was measure 85, drill once.
Okay, so
We drilled once and messed up once.
so this little mess up happened because we drill it straight instead of slightly at an angle like this. And because
All right, so we're using this little riv nut tool, and I bought a riv nut tool thing, but didn't say to use that. So what you do is you want to hold it like this, make sure that's tight, push in, and then you tighten this till it's nice and snug. That's pretty good. You don't want to go too hard, you'll mess it up. So, and then all you do is just loosen it. Loosen it. Very, very simple actually. And it's in. Just like that. Tie until snug. I'll probably put music over this anyway, so it don't matter. All right, do this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boop. Yeah, don't pay too much to that.
I didn't.
Too much attention to that one, you know? Down here.
screw it.
Yeah.
Screwed.
Screwed.
Just how you like it.
Push in.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Now you want to.
I'm opposite-handed.
Oh. Yeah, we got a lefty on our hands. Push in. Yeah, it's not in.
Okay.
You have to make sure it's flush, baby.
With what? The car?
The wing, yeah.
Okay, it's flush with the car.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
What?
Righty tighty. Oh no, see that's. All right, we got a struggle
Okay.
buster over here. All right, go ahead.
Hold on, you're making it difficult. Stop touching it.
Dude, that's my paint. Look at what you just did.
You fucked
Oh
up.
my. Baby, why are you backwards? What are you doing?
I don't know things. Okay.
Yeah. Snug. All right, now you got to unloosen it. Turn it the other way. You have to turn this.
Hold on, I don't know that that's snug.
Let me see. Well, you're moving. You're doing a whole lot of moving.
Because you're difficult.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
So then you turn this way,
Yeah?
and then go lefty. There you go. Now you could unloosen it with your finger.
This?
Yeah.
So just then.
Yep. But make sure, no, you want to pull this all out at the same time.
You didn't tell me that.
Well, yeah. Okay. Come on, it's a learning experience for boyfriend and girlfriend, you know?
I'm good.
Oh!
Got it!
Well, yeah, you know, some girlfriends don't even help their boyfriends, so I guess I appreciate you, you know?
1, 2, 3, 4.
She wants to learn, so that's good. I mean, I'm learning, so. All right, so now the last part of the process is just putting this together. That's honestly all there is to it. I feel like this is a very easy install that anyone could do.
Anyone.
If I could do it, you could do it. Trust me.
I'm doing it.
If my girlfriend could do it, you could definitely do it.
Hey. You're rude. Can I do it?
Yeah. That looks sweet. That just made the rear end look so much better.
I mean, it changes the look of the whole car.
Completely. Huh.
So we're all done. We got all of these inserted. Doo-doo-doo. And look at that. It's just fresh.
It's a freaking beauty.
Ooh.
Oh, you know what I call that? I call that a beaut. That's a beautiful right there. Let me see. Let me get them angles.
Look at that.
Man, that booty real thick now. I think we moved on from Brazilians.
What's bigger?
I don't know. It's a good question. Man, that looks so good. Do you think it looks good?
Yeah.
It like makes it a lot more aggressive, right? All right, so wicker bill, bam. Diffuser, bam. Come over here. Front splitter, bam. So what you guys think? What you guys think of the car? Let me know. I will put the link in the description for the wicker bill. As always, I think it looks absolutely amazing. Super aggressive, super aggressive. Super proud of it. Thank you to my beautiful girlfriend that helped me out a lot. Without her, honestly, you need 2 people to do this. Yeah, 2, even 3 if you're recording, because you need someone to record. So I don't know how the footage is going to be, honestly, but I think it came out super good. And for some amateurs,
No, we're pros.
pros,
Yeah.
okay, maybe some pros. All right, well,
You know, some girls ask for expensive dates, nice clothes, and flowers. All I ask for is some quality time with my boyfriend doing car shit. I get it.